Good morning and welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School, Adipur. Today we are going to study Science of Standard 8, chapter number 13, that is Sound, part 2. So children, you have studied about the what is sound and how it is formed. Now let us study about our next topic, that is 13.5, amplitude, time period and frequency of a vibration. So the to and fro motion of any object is known as vibration. जो वाइब्रेशन होगा, जो भी साउंड प्रोड्यूस होगा, ओके, एट दैट टाइम दैट वाइब्रेशन इज देयर एंड ड्यू टू दैट वाइब्रेशन ओनली द वी कैन हियर एनी काइंड ऑफ साउंड. सो देयर इज वन ऑसिलेटरी मोशन इन दैट ऑब्जेक्ट, ओके, वो वाइब्रेट होगा वो ऑब्जेक्ट एंड उसमें ऑसिलेशन आएगा एंड दैट ऑसिलेशन इज नोन एज प्रोड्यूसिंग विच इज साउंड. द नंबर ऑफ ऑसिलेशन पर सेकेंड is called the frequency of oscillation. So ये जो number of oscillation होंगे in 1 second, okay, that is the frequency of oscillation. And frequency is expressed in hertz and its symbol is Hz. A frequency of 1 hertz is 1 oscillation per second. Amplitude and frequency are the two important points of any sound. एक amplitude and another is frequency. What is loudness and pitch? Okay, the loudness of a sound depends on its amplitude. ज़्यादा amplitude ज़्यादा sound production होगा, ज़्यादा vibration होगा. Okay, when the amplitude is small, the sound produced is feeble, and when the amplitude of and the vibration is larger, the sound is produced very loud. Whereas frequency में exactly opposite होता है. The frequency determines the shrillness or the pitch of a sound. If the frequency of vibration is higher, we say that the sound is shrill and has a higher pitch. If the frequency of vibration is lower, then we say that the sound has a lower pitch. For example, a drum vibrates with a low frequency, therefore produces a low pitched sound. On the other hand, a whistle has a high frequency and therefore produces a sound which is having a higher pitch, not a higher sound. A bird makes high pitch sound, whereas the lion makes a low pitch roar. Okay, but क्या है, जो roar है lion का वो बहुत ज़्यादा loud है, while the sound of the bird is very feeble. Okay, तो ज़्यादा pitch होगा that doesn't mean ज़्यादा sound होगा. Okay, क्या ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, एम्पलीट्यूड ज़्यादा होना चाहिए फॉर अ लाउडर वॉइस. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट फ्रीक्वेंसीज, ओके, एंड हाउ मच लाउडनेस दे हैव बीन वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड. These are the standard ones, okay. Loudness of sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude of the vibration producing the sound. For example, if the amplitude becomes twice, the loudness increases by a factor of 4. Okay, तो क्या होगा, and the loudness is expressed in a unit called decibel. So these are the different kinds of sounds जिसमें different kinds of decibel quantities है. Normal breathing कितना decibel का sound produce करती है, that is 10 decibel. Soft whisper at 5 meter, 5 meter के distance पे it would be having 30 decibel. Normal conversation आपके और मेरे बीच में जो भी conversation होता है and that is of 60 decibel. Busy traffic, in traffic there is a lot of noise, that's why the 70 decibel is there. Okay, and average factory का जो भी आवाज़ होता है average, okay, not the more than that, एवरेज इट इज ऑब्जर्व 80 डेसिबल. अब 80 डेसिबल से सपोज ज़्यादा जाएगा देन इट विल बी वेरी पेनफुल फॉर आवर ईयर्स. Our next topic, that is 13.6, audible and inaudible sound. So there are different kinds of sounds. कुछ audible है हमें और कुछ inaudible है, because there are different animals having their sounds under the frequencies which we can't hear. That's why we are considering in a list of inaudible sounds. जैसे cows हैं, buffaloes हैं, okay, when they have conversation within each other, we don't hear, na, because of that inaudible sounds. Okay, दे आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर, बट उनका फ्रीक्वेंसी इतना कम है कि हम उनको सुन नहीं सकते. सो साउंड्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी लेस देन 20 वाइब्रेशन पर सेकेंड, that is 20 hertz, cannot be detected by the human ear. Such sounds are inaudible. On the higher side, sounds of frequency higher than 20,000 vibrations per second, that is 20 kilohertz, are also not audible into the human ear. 20 से ज़्यादा हुआ और 20 से कम हुआ, then also we will not be able to hear. 20,000 से ज़्यादा हुआ, then also we will not be able to hear that sound. Thus, for the human ear, the range of audible frequency is roughly for about 20 to 20,000 hertz. So, some animals can hear sounds of frequency higher than 20,000 hertz. Dogs have this ability. इसलिए ही पुलिस में these dogs are there. They have been used, okay, for the special investigations. The police use high frequency whistles which dogs can hear, but humans cannot. The ultrasound equipment familiar to us for investigating and tracking many medical problems works at a frequency higher than 20 hertz. तो ये क्या है, 20 hertz से भी ज़्यादा है. Noise and music. When the sounds is considered in a noise, when the sounds are considered in the music. जो unpleasant sound है वो हम उसको किस में कंसिडर करते हैं, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड इन द नॉइज. वेयर इज इन द म्यूजिकल साउंड इन विच देयर इज सम प्लीजिंग टू द ईयर, ओके, हमें अच्छा लगेगा, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड इन द म्यूजिक. साउंड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अ हारमोनियम, ओके, दैट इज अ म्यूजिकल साउंड, एंड द स्ट्रिंग ऑफ अ सितार ऑल्सो गिव्स आउट अ म्यूजिकल साउंड. सो वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है सुनने में. Our another topic, that is noise pollution. That is as the air pollution is a very we can say बहुत ही ज़्यादा टॉपिक है, बहुत ही ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का टॉपिक है, ओके, इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. इन द सेम वे द नॉइज पोल्यूशन इज ऑल्सो अ ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम, ओके. Presence of excessive or unwanted sounds in the environment is called the noise pollution. Unnecessary horn bajana and unnecessary the sounds of the cars or the pubs and etc. They are very high, okay, the sound is very high, so that is also creating a noise pollution. The animals which are living, the organisms such as reptiles and etc., okay, they also need the sleep or a safe place where they can't hear all those stuffs. But हम इतना noise करेंगे तो वो भी disturb होंगे. So in this way they are creating a noise pollution and they are troubling the other organisms also. Major causes of noise pollution are sounds of vehicles, explosions including bursting of crackers, machines, loudspeakers, etc. Television and transistors, radio at high volume, and some kitchen appliances, desert coolers, air conditioners all contribute to the noise pollution. So ये जितने भी हमारी लिस्ट में हैं, ओके, दे ऑल आर कंसिडर्ड इन द नॉइज पॉल्यूशंस. So what are the harm of the noise pollution? Presence of excessive noise in the surrounding may cause many health related problems. Lack of sleep, hypertension, that is high blood pressure, anxiety and many more health disorders may be caused by the noise pollution. Anxiety में क्या होगा? We will not be able to remain patient. पेशेंस नहीं होगा हमारे बॉडी का. वी विल फील लाइक अनईजी, कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है एंड वी आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड. एवरीथिंग इज ओके एक्सेप्ट दैट वॉइस ना, बट वी आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड. समथिंग इज कमिंग इन आवर माइंड एंड विच इज ट्रबलिंग अस एंड आवर mental as well as physical health is also getting problem. That is an anxiety problem, okay. A person who is exposed to a loud sound continuously may get temporary or even permanent impairment of hearing. क्या होगा? टेम्पररी भी हो सकता है एंड इट मे बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू परमानेंट. बहरा हो जाएगा इंसान, ओके. द ए पर्सन विल नॉट बी एबल टू हियर इट प्रॉपरली एंड समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन, द एम्पायरमेंट, ओके, मीन्स वो वर्क, हमारा हियरिंग का जो प्रोसेस है वो वर्क नहीं करेगा. ईयर्स विल नॉट बी एबल टू फंक्शन प्रॉपरली. सो मेजर्स टू लिमिट द नॉइज पॉल्यूशन. Silencing vehicles must be installed in aircraft engines, transport vehicles, industrial machines and home appliances. Silencers होने चाहिए so that it should reduce the voice. You have ever seen that some bikes are going, okay, they are having very noisy voice, so they are not having that silencing devices. In the home appliances also, suppose that mixture that also works very and produces very much louder sound, so that is also considered in the noise pollution. All noisy operation must be conducted away from any residential area. So जो भी parties होती हैं in that nowadays what is happening that the party plots and all are the government giving them allotment but outside the city, because they are troubling the people as well as its hearing problem also has been observed. Noise producing industries should be set up away from such areas. Use of automobiles horns should be minimized. TV and music system should be run at low volumes. Trees must be planted along the roads and around the buildings down on the sounds reaching the residents, thus reducing the harmful effects of noise pollution. So अगर हम plants और grow करेंगे nearby area तो क्या होगा, that noise pollution is also captured by the plants. सिर्फ air का ही purification is not there, but by the help of the plants this whole sounds also are getting purified. Hearing impairment, क्या होगा जो हमारा hearing का function will get damaged. Total hearing impairment, which is rare, is usually from birth itself. Okay. Partial disability is generally the result of a disease, injury or age. तो क्या होगा, या तो वो इंजरी हो गया होगा और would have heard it the loudest volume every day continuously, so that's why also the partial disabilities also occurs. Children and impaired hearing need special care by learning sign language. Okay, जो भी बच्चा या जो भी person is not able to hear, so what they do, they whenever they want to conversate with any other person, किसी से ही बात करना होता है, then what do they do the sign language. Such children can communicate effectively because speech develops as the direct result of hearing. A child with a hearing loss may have defective speech also. जब उसने कुछ सुना ही नहीं है लाइफ में तो वो बोलेगा क्या. Okay, that's why they have also observed that there is a defective speech also in them. Technological devices for the hearing impaired have made it possible for such person to improve the quality of life. That machine is there, उससे वो क्या करते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत भी अच्छे से सुनाई देगा उनको. So their verbal as well as the audible thing will get, जो impairment है वो clear होगा. Society can do much to improve the living environment for such people who are having hearing impaired and help them to live normal lives. So this was all about the chapter number 13. So children, you have to write all your question answers in your notebook and objectives in your textbook. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.